Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
Growing an apple tree from an apple seed is possible, but it's important to understand that the apple tree that grows may not produce the same type of apple as the one you got the seed from. This is because most apple trees grown from seeds are hybrids, meaning they have genetics from two different apple varieties. Here are the general steps to grow an apple tree from a seed. Seed collection: collect seeds from the apple you want to use. Rinse the seeds and let them dry. Seed preparation: after drying, stratify the seeds. Stratification involves placing the seeds in a moist environment with low temperatures to mimic winter conditions, which helps to break dormancy. You can do this by putting the seeds in a damp paper towel inside a plastic bag and keeping them in the refrigerator for several weeks. Planting: once the seeds have been stratified, plant them in small pots or seedling trays with potting soil. Plant each seed about half an inch to an inch deep. Germination: keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Place the pots in a warm and sunny location. Germination can take several weeks or even months, so patience is key. Transplanting: when the seedlings have grown large enough and have developed a few sets of true leaves, transplant them into larger containers or outdoors if the weather permits. Ensure they have enough space to grow. Caring for the tree: provide adequate water, sunlight, and nutrients as the tree grows. Protect it from pests and diseases. Prune it as needed to encourage healthy growth. Remember, the resulting tree may not bear fruit identical to the apple you took the seed from due to the nature of apple tree genetics. Commercial apple varieties are typically propagated through grafting or budding to ensure that the new tree retains the qualities of the parent tree. If you're looking to grow a specific type of apple, it's best to obtain a sapling or graft from a known variety rather than relying on seeds. Want to see more of my videos? Like and subscribe.